Hi everybody, my name is Jen from Amazing Sparrow. This is my girl Epps. And today we're going to share how we made this beautiful balloon garland behind us, right girlfriend? Yeah! If you are making a balloon garland, the number one thing you have to have, in addition to actual balloons, is the balloon buddy, or some sort of electric way to blow up your balloons, because take it from somebody who tried it without, it's not fun. So get one of these. I have it linked below. They're the best. You need them. This is number one. This is about how much I leave at the top, and you can always just remove some of the balloons if you realize that you have too many.